Okay, so we covered the three main entries. Now we need to cover our three main exits, or three main places that we're going to look to put a stop loss. So my three main stop losses are going to be either the high of the day, the HOD, above a breaker, right? So above that sweet spot, or above an order block. And I'll generally move it above that mean threshold or right at the close. So again, stop loss number one, if we're taking this breaker setup here, we'll be entering in the breaker. Stop can go somewhere above that sweet spot. It's not necessarily completely safe right there. They still could run up and make that head and shoulders formation and tap you with that spread. But if you're entering at the low and the mid of the breaker, it's still a safer stop. Stop loss number two is when we don't make that breaker high. Say we have a double top and we're trading into structure. If we're entering at that structure, the stop loss needs to be above the original high, at least above this structure. And then that third stop loss would be if we're entering on the second structure break, that stop needs to go above the last level of structure. And then again, same thing, if whether it's this setup or if it's a breaker setup, either way it's that second level or that second break of structure, and we would put our stop above that previous level of confirmed structure. The structure has to be confirmed. If, say, it went short and didn't make it all the way up into this breaker structure here, then it wouldn't count. And we would have to assume that we're still waiting for confirmation at this structure. So real short, sweet, and simple. Those are where I like to place my stop losses based on my setups.